Hello, this is How to Master, and today we're going to be cooking brownies. For the ingredients, you'll need a third cup of vegetable oil, a stick of butter, a bowl, 2 eggs, a tray, and brownie mix. First thing you want to do is start up your oven, 350 degrees. So first step, you want to pour the brownie mix into the bowl. Then you want to get your 2 eggs and crack them into the bowl as well. Now you're going to need a third cup of water. Tap water will do. You're going to need a third cup of vegetable oil. You're going to want to pour that in as well. Now that you got all your ingredients, you're going to want to mix. You could mix with a normal whisk, but mine is electronic. This is going to take you a little while, so let's just skip to the results. This is what it should look like. Now you're going to want to get the butter and paint it on the tray almost. This is also going to take a little while, so let's just skip to the results. Now you're going to want to pour your bowl into the tray. Get it nice and even. Now, we're going to want to get our brownie mix and put it into the oven. It should be heated up by now. put it on for 30 minutes. The results are in. Let's see. We still gotta check if they're done. A good way to know is to stick a toothpick in it and to see if there's still fudge on the inside. And since mine is still fudgy, I'm going to put it back in. I won't spare you the details though. I'll skip straight back to where we were. Here we go, finally finished. Let's get a zoom in. Well, that's it. See you.